What is good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. We are, I think I'm posting this in June, July, meaning we're completely Madden-less, so I hope you're very excited. As you know, I love, this is probably, that was some absolute demon shit. My door just opened on its own, and now I'm terrified. Goose, come save me. I need to go find Goose, one sec. Goose, I need you now. Oh, hey. Hey, Gooseling. Goose is so tired because I went and recorded a kicking video of Goose today, and now she's a cash money schlumped. Are you cash money schlumped?
Nope.
She won't even kiss my face. She's so schlumped. Right, so if you watch any of my clothing videos, you know Primitive is probably my favorite brand right now. It's kind of hard to say, but they make these. They make like the tie-dye Dragon Ball Z stuff that I always wear. They make that red Dragon Ball Z hoodie I have. They make a lot of super cool shit. I want to say this video is definitely not sponsored at all. You would know when I'm selling out. This is not a sellout, but someone did message me on Twitter and say that Primitive had released like a limited edition $100 mystery box. So a mystery box of Primitive clothing, and it's my favorite brand. So I absolutely had to cop it. I even copped two. So they put two mystery box worth, so $200 worth of mystery box stuff in this one box that I have right here. We're gonna open this puppy up. We're gonna see what Primitive has for us today, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I think this is gonna be sick. All right, we're gonna be weird and start at the bottom. Oh! I think I literally know exactly what this is. I think this is a W right out the gate. It is olive green, and it is tie-dye like what I'm wearing, and olive green is absolutely like the color right now. It is so in style. I think is this a long sleeve? It says a lot of weight to it. I think it's a long sleeve. This is a green tie-dye long sleeve, and it says Primitive right there. If you guys were ever wondering where I got the inspiration for the MMG merch, if you know how the MMG merch, it just says MMG right there in the little cursive. This was my inspiration, was Primitive. It fits like a blanket. What am I 6'5", 245? Primitive, do you want to fight? I think they're calling me fat. It's actually still kind of lit though. An olive green tie-dye is so dope. Primitive, I'll give you a 7 out of 10 for the start. Let's see if you can improve that. Holy shit. Pretty sure you improved it. Bruh. It's a light gray hoodie. Yo, this shit is fire. Bruh. I think if it has enough right here, I'm giving it a 10. Money. Absolute W. Look at that, boy. That's so clean. That's really nice material, too. Ooh, it's stitched on. It's that patch. Their beanies are so cool. Next thing in the box is a beanie. The beanies are so cool, but bro, I cannot wear hats. Like, so already, right, I have like a lot of hair, and it's kind of my look. So when I put hats on, I look like uncircumcised penis.
I do not love.
What?
I do not love.
What is wrong with you?
Like, this is probably so cool for some people, but I look like a wiener. I look like a penis. I know it. Ooh, next up. See, this is another just hit or miss, because this is actually sick. This is Primitive X Grizzly on the back. Primitive X Grizzly. However, I hate the color yellow. I don't know why I hate the color yellow so much, but it just reminds me of like mustard, and mustard sucks. Like, who uses mustard? If you use mustard and you're a big fan, then you can gladly come to my house and fight me. My address. This is honestly dope. I really like it. I can tell it's been sitting in this box, so I won't even be able to try it on right now because it's so wrinkly. Honestly sick, but dude, just imagine like this, all this yellow right here was like black or light gray, or this color would be sick, or light blue, or olive green, anything but yellow. I would think pink. Pink is kind of cool. Ooh, I'm thinking this one is a big L, Primitive. So Primitive, we were at a 9. The sweatshirt was cool, but it's the wrong color, so I'm moving down to an 8. And I think this is gonna take me back to a 7, in my personal opinion. Ooh, Chief. So it's honestly kind of sick because it's Dragon Ball Z, right? But like, what is it supposed to be, a bowling shirt? Am I gonna go bowling in my primitive gear? Kamehameha! I'm about to do some me bowling and I'm about to throw so many strikes. Biggest L I've ever seen from primitive, I'm gonna be honest. That's an L, primitive. You're down to a 6, my friends. You're definitely down to a 6. I can't even leave you at a 7. You're at a 6 right now. I smell a W! For one, primitive does the best pink stuff. This is, it's low-key sus, but it's still kind of sick. Okay, so I got a big smooch from a hot woman, primitive. It's some, what does it say? I can't read, I'm a moron. And then on the back,
What is
it's a
that?
bigger smooch. We have 2 hats. This one is a W. If it'll fit on my head, because I have a giant head. I'm a true skater boy right now. I don't know what to say about it. I like dad hat fits better. So this is kind of like a legitimate like Rob Dyrdek snapback, which I'm not a fan of. This is a dad hat. However, it's yellow. We have a primitive mug. I don't know whose idea that was, but it is very cute and I like it a lot. And finally, we have a plain white t-shirt, I think. Unless this is a long sleeve. I want a t-shirt though, so I'm praying it's a t-shirt. Oh, it is a t-shirt. Bruh! It's a weed shirt! And it's got a thotty on the back. W! This is one of those shirts, like 100% you gotta cuff the sleeves. Like, that, it looks good though when you cuff them. All right, so overall, I'm gonna give this mystery box opening, I'm giving it a 7 out of 10. Not bad, you know. My girlfriend, you know, 7 out of 10. Don't tell her I said that. But here's the thing, you don't buy a mystery box because you think you're gonna get clothes better than what you could pick out for yourself. Because if I wanna go down to the store and pick out my own primitive clothes, obviously I'm gonna get stuff only that I want. You do mystery boxes for fun, that's why I did this. Pretty dope though. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching as always. I'll see you later. Peace out.